If you've been browsing Roblox recently, you might have noticed that there's a lot of these obby butt games. However, there is one that stands out from the rest. And today, me and my friend Hydro will be showcasing the game to you. Have you ever wondered what an obby would be like if you're a bird? You probably haven't. But me and Hydro were just looking at some random games on Roblox, and we found this game thing.
Yay! You have like a normal duck skin. While I got heat up from the fryer.
Yeah, you escaped from KFC.
I'm the only survivor.
Oh, there's something up here. Is this a checkpoint?
No,
it's just a
it's
random
every
house.
10 meters.
It's a random house. If it's supposed to be a birdhouse, then why is it not on a tree? That'd be a lot more fitting.
Yay! Now I can go back and forth.
Oh, yeah, there's like a bird nest here. Oh, looks like there's another KFC survivor. You lied.
I said I'm the only one survivor, okay?
Oh, never mind, he died anyways. Okay.
Okay, we're halfway to our next checkpoint.
We're halfway there. Oh, checkpoint. Checkpoint. Yay.
Are those spikes?
Okay, it does actually kill you. Ooh, it gets like blurry.
Wait, really? Howie. I died. Okay, let's continue.
Looks like you didn't survive
I'm not
KFC.
a survivor anymore.
Huh?
I'm not a survivor. Ow, I died.
Oh, I survived KFC now. Oh.
Where are you? Oh, you're all the way up here. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I'm a KFC survivor now. Haha.
Whatever.
Leap of faith. Okay, that's pretty easy. No birds past this point. Go through the cave.
Literally. I think we can fit through there. I'm not sure.
No, but they probably put like a barrier. They probably put like a barrier. I'm the biggest bird. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. Alright.
I'm not sure.
No.
Wait, the ghost
No. I'm no longer a bird. These are interesting birds. Who cares if we're not KFC birds? We're more extraordinary.
Oh! I'm blue. I took a little dip inside the water. Ah!
Oh god. Oh.
No!
Dude, I did not hit that. What the heck?
Wait, I just realized. I'm Perry the Platypus. I didn't take a dip into the water. I'm Perry the Platypus.
I'm gonna die.
Come on, it's not that hard.
I'm the original. I'm the duck.
Yeah, and I'm dooba 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 dooba. I see a checkpoint. Yeah.
Let's go. We got into the bird nest.
Whew, I'm not even halfway there.
Oh.
Mario! Mario! That's where you go. That's where.
Avenge me!
Avenge me!
Oh, I'm fried chicken. Let's go. I'm fried chicken survivor.
Perry the Platypus jump scare. Ah!
Avenge me! Oh, we got a new color. I'm green.
What's that make you?
A poison chicken?
No, we already got
KFC gone wrong.
KFC gone wrong. There we go. You look so stupid.
Jeez. Oh, nice. I forget where I'm supposed to go. I think here?
Yes. And then.
Ooh, Mario again.
Luigi! Oh, that's a scary jump. Checkpoint. Spinning clouds. Oh. King Duck Shrine. I think we missed a checkpoint.
Oh, look! There's a swamp. King Duck. Wait, I'm green! I must.
You're the long lost cousin.
Oh. We finally get a reunion.
At least we have, what's his name? Dav to keep us company. Hopefully Dav doesn't freaking die.
Heated bird bath.
He did bird bath. The section's really long. Good job.
Oh. Oh, I'm still a duck. Okay.
Long jump.
Oh, you can't see that. That's so blurry.
I got 100 points.
100 points.
It's easier to get 100 than like a 0.
Finish the lyrics? What?
Cherry leaves.
Oh. That's
Yeah.
from the song.
Oh my. Oh.
Not really.
No clue. Yeah. Oh, we got bird nests. Let's go.
80 meters.
Go.
I'm not dancing. I'm not dancing.
Okay, fine. No.
Okay, fine. Oh my god.
Oh, this is gonna be scary.
Vince drink.
No!
It's not very.
I hate this. I hate this. I hate this.
Um.
Dude, I'm an idiot. I'm an. Ugh. Dude.
It was just a weird way of.
Dude. No. Yes!
Yeah!
Alright, let me die real quick. I wish there was a checkpoint. Now if I die, oh god. Oh god. No!
Have you tried more?
This
Did you
game
die?
is actually doo-doo.
He left the game! How dare you!
What?
That is gone.
As far as I know, nothing.
Yes? Let's go! I beat it as Perry the Platypus. We're both Perry the Platypus.
Perry the who?
Platypus.
Platypus? Perry the platypus.
This is the King Platypus party. The one time I said it correctly, it was wrong. It's King Duck.
Wait, you didn't wait for me at the party?
I know, yeah. Here, alright.
Oh, ahead, never mind.
Let's... This is a bad, scary jump.
What? Oh, it showed me that you just jumped.
Dude, no! This game actually is trash.
I'm waiting for you, pal. Yes! Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
I'm gonna fall.
Shift lock on, shift lock on, shift lock on.
Okay. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, do you hear the party?
Oh, I don't have my sound on. Yo!
Yeah.
So close.
This better not be copyrighted.
It can't be. Yeah!
Let's go dance. Do the final dance.
There you go. Final dance. You dance.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Let's jump down and
Let's
see
go.
how far it.
Alright,
Yeah,
wait,
it is.
first, before we jump. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sadly, this will be my only video on my page so far, but you can change it by subscribing. Ready?
2,
3,
1, go!
Dude.
Oh my god!
Wait, is there a checkpoint at the party? Oh,
Did you not take the checkpoint?
no. Okay.